Train tickets can feel confusing, so we're here to make them simple, one at a time. If you're not in the office every single day, a Flexi season ticket might be the best fit for you. You can get 8 days of unlimited travel anytime within 28 days. Perfect if you're in the office only 1 or 2 days a week and travelling at peak times. Here's how it works. Step 1. Order your free smart card online or from a station. Step 2. Buy your Flexi season on our website, app, or at a booking office. Step 3. Load it to your smart card with the app or at a ticket machine. And step 4. Activate your day pass before you travel, in the app or by tapping in at the gate. It's better value than a weekly ticket when you're only travelling a few days a week, and you can buy a Flexi season ticket for any 2 stations on the LNR network. Visit our website for more information.